Hello again and welcome to Masivo. In this guide, we will explore the tiers section and create an example of a loyalty level set. Tiers are the different loyalty levels you can create to group, segment, or categorize your customers. To begin, we go to the left side toolbar and click on Tiers. Here you will find the Tiers section. When you create an account, an entry level named Default is created automatically. All your customers are assigned to this tier when created, and this tier cannot be erased as this tier represents the entry level. For this demonstration, we are going to modify level 1 and create 2 new additional tiers in order to form a set. Each account can have multiple tiers to serve different purposes within our loyalty program. To begin, we click on the ellipsis menu of level 1 tier. Select Edit, and now we'll be able to edit its name. We will call it Bronze. Then we can add a description. Notice how the entry-level conditions are not editable, as an entry level without conditions is required for all our base level customers. To continue, we click on Save. Now we are going to create additional levels. We click on New Tier, then we can establish the level using the numeric selector by clicking on the arrows or entering a numeric value with our keyboard. But this action is not required as tiers will continue the sequential order with each new tier created. Following our theme, let's name it Silver. And write a description. It's recommended to reference the conditions of each tier in the description. Tiers are building blocks of our loyalty program strategies, and we will be creating as many tiers as our loyalty program requires. Now we are going to establish its conditions. In this case, for the entry condition, we will use the total spend in the reporting period type, and in the operator, we select the greater than or equal to option. In the value, we will establish $200. Now, we are going to establish the exit conditions for Silver. We select the total spend in the reporting period type, but this time we select less than in the operator, and in the value we establish $200. All we need to do now is click on Save. Finally, we will name Tier 3 as Gold and set a description. We will use similar conditions than those set for Silver, with the difference being the value that we will set to double the amount of silver. At this point, we are ready to save the last tier of this set by clicking on Save. Congratulations! We have created our first set of tiers. You are ready to start customizing your own levels. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next Masivo guide.